This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can group columns in Google Sheets. Here I have a spreadsheet with some information about random people, and let's suppose I don't need to always see some of these columns. One way that you can quickly expand or collapse columns is by grouping them together. So let's say that the most important thing is the donation column, and these other columns are nice to see, but I don't need to see them all the time. If you want to group them, go here to the top of the column and highlight the columns that you would like to group. Then you can right click, then select View More Column Actions, then select Group Columns C through F. You can also go to View and click on Group and do that same thing. Group columns C through F. And notice that there is also a keyboard shortcut here. And since this is a Mac, it will appear differently in Windows. So I want to group columns C through F, so I'm going to click that. Now you see that this box and line appears. If I only want to see the donation, instead of highlighting and then clicking hide columns and unhide columns, now that I have these columns grouped, all I need to do is click that box and those columns are gone. And then if I want to see those columns again, then click the box again, and now those columns are there. So this is how you can group columns to collapse or expand data in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.